This year we are doubling the investment turnover that we had last year, and because of that, the new players coming to the market with a lot of equity, they need to deploy the capital very soon. So they are trying to get some really big portfolios instead of purchasing properties one by one. So we have had 4 or 5 really big portfolios in the market. In the retail industry, we had 2. Clepierre has sold to Carrefour, Carmila, 65 shopping centers with a value of 400 million in the first quarter of this year. Another really big portfolio of 7 shopping centers were sold by Basnet Retail, the Dutch company, to a consortium of Bouwpost, Oaktree, and a local manager called LAR, Grupo LAR, which is very renowned as well. In the office market, we had 2 really big portfolios. One was the IDL portfolio, was 100 million portfolio that has been sold to Asocimi, to Hispania. And Oncisa was another company that has been sold with all the properties they were holding. It was another 120 million portfolio with 8 properties in Madrid and 1 office building in Malaga. And the third one is the big portfolio of Werelhave, the Dutch company. They had disposed all the assets they have in Spain in a single project. It was composed by 2 office buildings in Madrid, 1 in the city center and 1 in the outskirts, 1 shopping center also in Madrid, and a logistic platform. All these properties were sold for a value of 99.5 million very recently to Axia Real Estate, another Socimi. And the other really big transaction was the biggest logistic portfolio ever has been sold in Spain. It has been a 320,000 square meters project with more than 11 warehouses, really big warehouses, logistic platforms that were sold in the main corridor of Spain, in the Henares corridor, and the vendor was Gran Europa and the purchaser was Blackstone for the Logicor fund.